Are here, Jeff D'Ambrosio, Fiat of Downingtown, with Shar from Lower Gwinnett, Montgomery County. First proud owner of the new 500C here, Jeff D'Ambrosio Auto Group. How was your experience here at Jeff D'Ambrosio Auto Group, Shar?
It was, I couldn't have asked for a better sales crew or service crew. I mean, buying a Fiat, I've been waiting a year to do that, and Edgar couldn't have been more helpful from the thousands of questions. There's so many choices. I mean, it was very hard for me to limit it to one vehicle, but then when I did finally see it all together, I knew it was for me. But
Fell in love.
I fell in love.
Fell in love with the Fiat. You can do that here at Jeff D'Ambrosio Auto Group in Downingtown, specifically our Fiat store, and specifically with Edgar Floyd. Edgar, someone wants to get in touch with you and talk to you about a Fiat. What's your number?
610-269-9500.
Just ask for Edgar Floyd. Thank you very much. Folks, if you see a black Fiat 500 convertible driving around, you know it came from Jeff D'Ambrosio Auto Group in Downingtown, the first Fiat 500 convertible in Chester County and Montgomery County. You have a very unique vehicle. Thank you very much for the business. We look forward to seeing you soon.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
It's been a pleasure.